Hey guys, Scott here. So we are going to start a new persona right from scratch, and I want you to see this because I'm going to pick an industry if you know someone in this industry, then I want you to show this to them because I really think this helps a lot of people in so many industries. As you can see through here, all the different industries that we now have, but heating and AC. I'm going to select that. That's going to be today's demo is heating and air conditioning. Enter the persona name. I'm just going to use Scotty's AC and heat, which is basically the same thing. Scotty's AC and heat. For demo purposes, I'll just put in my own zip. And now I'm going to hit next. I want you guys to see how easy this is to build this for a company who might be a heating company, air conditioning company who has a Facebook page, a LinkedIn, and a Twitter page. This is the page. The next page is where you set up your connection to your social networks. We're going to go next. Obviously, I don't have any AC and heating companies to attach it to, but that's where you would do that. This page, preferences, it's going to strategically add emojis. I wanted to do that. And a pen, this button here, you would click that if you want to add custom text that'll show up at the bottom of every single post that goes out on your calendar and your campaign. So imagine when our system and our app posts out for you, at the bottom of each one, it's going to say whatever you wanted to say. It says call now. It can be whatever. I typically leave that blank because right down here, you're going to put in your company's URL, your website. So Scotty's AC, I'll just shorten it up just to make it quick for you guys. Scotty's AC. I'm going to say call or text. You're going to call the number 123-456-7890. I will see for demo purposes. Or you can schedule whatever you like. Schedule an appointment. Let's choose that. Or you can also click on it to finish the following sentence, turn red, text to green. That's always the case in all the setups when you answer the questions. You're always going to, if the words or the verbiage is red, you need to turn it to green. So that red PM, I'm going to change that to direct message, or you can do custom. I'll put direct message, and then we'll go next. Now, if you like, you can change the graphics. If I click on this, you can change the colors. You can change down at the bottom. You can change the font type, the font color, whatever you like. You could also, if you click here, if your company has a logo, which a lot of companies do, you can simply upload the logo of your company, and that'll show up in all the posts. I'm going to do a separate video for that. But that's the next graphics, and then we go next. And now is where you just answer some variations so the app and Amy can learn. So our HVAC contractors are here. We're going to change that red to our licensed HVAC contractor, expert, AC technician, air and heating expert. Let's do that. Air and heating expert are here to help you fix any HVAC system issues. There's a bunch of other ones that are already pre-built in here. Keep your property cool in the summer and hot in winter. I like that. So let's leave that. Our catalog of AC and heating services, pretty easy, right? Options, services, maybe options. We'll leave it options. Has everything you need. Contact us or me if you're just a single person, but us as the company. Maybe you got people working with you today to see how we or I can help. Now there's a couple other variations. You can fill out all these variations to give Amy, the app, more and more information, but you get the idea. We can just do that one for the demo purposes, save and finish. Now I'm done giving you all the information. Now I want to build my calendar. So I'm going to click Build Calendar, and now I'm going to enter the calendar name. Let's say it's the AC heat calendar, right? We'll just do calendar, and now here we select down at the bottom, it's Scotty's AC and heat. We click done and then select. See the button on select? I have it selected. Then I click select. Now it populates in that window. Now here's what's really cool. Time frames, we're going to leave it on use Smart Sync as my default option to auto pick the time of day to schedule my custom post, which is really cool. You let the AI do that for you instead of you trying to figure out what day and time is best. And then auto build settings, this calendar will auto build monthly, which means it'll build you a new calendar every month with new dynamic posts. Now, it's not going to repeat the same thing. It's going to build you new posts, new words, new verbiage, the whole deal, that's the beauty of this system. And now I go next. Here's where you're going to connect your pages. It'll publish your posts to your business pages on Facebook automatically and your personal feeds on LinkedIn and Twitter at the scheduled times that it picks. We hit save and finish, building your campaign, and boom, drum roll, done. So now what I want you to see is that this calendar was built for the month of December, so it ends basically, we only have a couple days left of the new year. But I want you to see, as I scroll to the 30th, there's 2 posts on that day, and you'll see these are the different options that you have. The Pro Plus version gives you this advanced picture, basic version which give you this, or it's image only, right? So that would be just one with the website at the bottom. And then we go, and then we have this next post on the same day. Have your system inspected following a major disaster, floods, hurricanes, and more can affect your heating and cooling system, resulting in unsafe operations. Just something that's a tip. That's a tip that it puts out. It's not necessarily about selling anything. It's just a tip that you're sending to a homeowner because that's the business that you're in. It can be just an image. That's the image. We can swap out that image if we want to. Or let's say we just want to swap out the whole thing altogether. Don't forget about your dehumidifier. If you live in a humid climate, your dehumidifier is your best friend. Spring is a good season for performing preventative maintenance on your dehumidifier. I didn't know that. I like that. I'm going to swap that out, and boom, that's my new swapped out post. There's a basic version, and maybe it's just the picture. Again, swapping that out, or you can have your logo pop in there as well. Let's go to the next one. This is on January 1st. I'm running out of days here in a month, so this is just a quick demo for that. And this is just a basic post to represent my business just with the website. And it's going to have call the phone number and the website and the picture. Could be image only, could be there. Now, if I want to edit this, I can do that. I can bump that down. Call with any help needed today. And I can add the phone number. The phone number is in a picture up there as well, but we'll put that there and then save. And that's save. I close, and that's done. And then you're done. So basically, it's going to ask me on the first day of the month, January 1st, or maybe even January 2nd. It's going to say, hey, we're going to build your January calendar. You want us to do that for you? You click yes, and boom, it's going to build your January calendar with numerous posts that are going to go out, that are going to be tips, they're going to be general promotion, there's going to be questions that it's going to ask that's specific to your industry. And that's what's really cool about our system. So, and then once you're all done, let's say you flip through all these and you like them all, that's pretty cool there. Image only, cool. Gotta love this quote. Home isn't where you're from, it's where you find light when all grows dark. Pretty cool, right? Nice little quote for the campaign. Oh, it actually went one to, what was that, to the 4th on one post on that day. Now let's say these are all good to go and you like them, then you're going to click on options at the top. You're going to schedule all posts, and boom, they're all going to go out. And then if I go to campaigns, here are the ones that are auto-built. Those are auto-built tips, quotes, general promotion. Those are auto-built. We only had a couple days left in the year, so that's all built because of that. And then in January, it's going to build out a whole nother group of them. So that's it for being an AC and heating. If you know somebody with an AC company, heating company, and they need help with their social media, this app can help them. Now they could download the free version if they like, and they can really see what it can do. But then you can upgrade to give it all the bells and whistles and go throughout the whole month with their social media. So reach out to me with any questions. Share this with them. Glad to help. Thanks for watching. We'll see you in the next video.